If you guys don't know what this is, then you should definitely get you some if you're in the automotive industry, or we're doing car audio, or anytime you need to get something through a boot, rubber grommet, or something like that. This is called Kent Automotive Super Slick Dry Lube. I'm working on a 2024 Acura MDX, and we have to get some wires going through this boot because we're doing a backup camera, and that's the only right way to go is through the boot. That way we're not just crossing over this wire over here, and they can actually avoid it being pinched by going the proper way. Now, the hard thing about it is that it's kind of rough to get this part going through here. What we want to do is take a couple sprays on that end, a couple sprays on this end. Then we can also spray this part if we want to, and watch how it come through. Thing about it is that it makes it super slick just for a couple seconds, and then it automatically dries up and it doesn't leave any type of little sticky residue or anything like that. And now we are through the boot. We can just snap that in place. Now you can't see any wire because it's going through the boot, coming out there. And look, still on my wire pulling tool, no residue. After you seen it kind of slick when we first sprayed it, no residue, no stickiness, none of that.